Hello everyone, it's Alien Spaceship. This is a little bit of a joke, but this is the garden update, and an edgy garden update. And you could see that this is where the garden originally was, and I'm not quite sure the condition. They are winter plants, so maybe they survived or not, but they were still ready to be brought back. There's just some root plants, and that is the stalk of the sunflower. Earlier, I did a live about this, and there was music, so I couldn't really talk to you all, but I just wanted to focus on the snow the most. And although they'll come back next year, these are somewhere the elephant ear plants usually are, and very dark in this part of the region. And then look at all that, very nice. This is a historic snow event. Many are not used to this type of weather, and I have not seen this in over a decade. All right. That whole bucket is filled. That's a snow angel I made earlier, by the way. Well, an alien snow angel. And this is the alien pirate snowman, but his hat is not on right now because I didn't want his hat to blow away. All very fascinating stuff. The daikon lives, and also over here the spinach is doing fine. Right there. And also the radishes too. It survived the snow. This is what's left. Also, that is where the measuring stick was.